Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sell literally anything using AI, even if you don't have a product yet. No joke, you won't even need to spend money on marketing. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new AI money-making tricks. I recently worked with a client who makes plush toys. Instead of wasting money on ads, we use nothing but AI tools, and it worked. Let me show you the whole process from start to finish, step by step. First things first, we're opening up ChatGPT. Watch this. Here's how we craft the perfect prompt to analyze the plush toy market. We're going with a deep research analysis, answering his questions. Here's the report we got. It clearly shows a growing demand for a specific type of teddy bear. Pay close attention to these key features. They're going to be the foundation of our product. Now it's time to create concepts for our bears. We're opening up an AI image generator. I used Sora, but you can use any tool you like. This bear turned out pretty cool. Let's generate a few more versions so we've got options for the next step. Time to set up and fill out the Instagram account. Let's add a description of what we're actually selling. Next, we're gonna start saving highlights from our stories. And we'll start posting our products to the feed. So, how do we find customers? Easy, through Reels videos. Now we're getting to the most powerful part, making the video. But first, we need to generate the images we'll turn into video, still using Sora for that. These turned out super cool. Exactly what we need for the next step. The twist in our videos? We put the teddy bear in funny, unexpected situations. Stuff toys don't usually do. That's what was meant to catch people's attention and draw in future customers. Like in this one, the teddy bear's casually walking down a city street. Next step, head to Runway and drop in the image we just made. Just pop in a simple prompt and let it generate the video. Let's set the resolution to 9:16. To save time, we're adding another image with the same prompt. By the way, if you run out of credits, just switch to a new account and keep using it for free. Here's the kind of video we ended up with. Let's download it right away. Here's the second video. I forgot to change the resolution, but we'll fix that later. Now we need to remove the watermarks. We'll use VMake for that. VMake completely wiped the watermark, and now we can download our 5-second video for free. We do the same thing with the second video. And here's what we've got so far. Pretty solid drafts to work with. To have full control, we're editing the video in DaVinci Resolve, but you can use any editing software you like. Let's import our videos into the project. Next, hit the File, Project Settings, and check the box for vertical resolution. In version 20, they actually added a special layout just for editing vertical videos. Next, we'll grab some free music from Pixabay. Here's a fun track I found, but heads up, always check there's no warning symbol next to the file before you download it. Yep, this music is just what we need. You can even create your own track with Suno. I had ChatGPT whip up a quick little song lyric for me. Now in Suno, we paste our song lyrics right here. Here, we'll choose the style for our song. It's gonna be a kid's song. Hit create. And here's the kind of songs we'll get.
Teddy bear glowing, tummy so bright, shining like stars in the middle of night. Snuggled in bed, there's nothing to fear. Tummy lights glowing, your friend is near. Teddy bear glowing, tummy so bright, shining like stars in the middle of night. Snuggled in bed, there's nothing to fear. Tummy lights glowing, your friend is near.
Now let's head to the sound effects and find some street ambience for our video. I really like this one. We still gotta grab some footstep sounds for our teddy bear. This is the only one that really fits. Now let's drop in the sounds we downloaded. Let's line everything up on the timeline. And here's what we ended up with. Make 10 more videos like this. Alright, time to see how it all paid off. Yeah, just messing with you. Only the first videos pulled those funny views. Here's what happened just 1 month later. The videos racked up thousands of views, the account grew organically, and best of all, the client got so many pre-orders they had to rush production. No ad spend at all, just AI-made content. In just a few months, we gained 1,200 followers and millions of views on Reels. And the best part? Client made $18,000 selling those bears by pre-order without even having the physical products in hand. And yeah, this strategy works for almost any kind of business. Selling clothes, create viral AI concepts and videos featuring models wearing your designs. In the beauty game, show stunning before and after results with AI-generated transformations. Selling services, let AI visualize the powerful results you deliver. Oh, almost forgot. I put together 50 ready-to-use prompts for the most popular AI tools, and they're totally free for you. These prompts are straight fire. Even the pros are using them. So we just broke down the full strategy for selling from scratch, all powered by AI. Market research with ChatGPT, concepts with AI, content made in Runway, all promoted on Instagram, no ad budget needed. The best part? You test demand before spending a dime on production. That means lower risk, and even your first sales, before you make a single product. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let me know which idea you liked the most and what you'd love to see in future videos. I actually read all the comments and try to reply to everyone. Alright folks, see you in the next one. Bye bye.